When we think about strength, most people imagine muscles, giant bodies, and unstoppable power. But in nature, strength comes in many forms. Some animals can crush bones with terrifying force. Some can drag prey heavier than cars. And some tiny creatures can lift hundreds, even thousands of times their own body weight. Today, we are counting down the 10 strongest animals on earth. And trust me, the number one animal on this list is so powerful for its size. It would be like a human lifting multiple fully loaded trucks. Nature created real-life superheroes, and these animals prove it. Let's begin. Number 10, grizzly bear, the mountain powerhouse. This giant predator is pure muscle. The grizzly bear can weigh over 600 kilograms and stand taller than many humans, even on all fours. But the scary part is its raw power. A grizzly can flip a massive rock looking for food, break apart logs with ease, and deliver a swipe strong enough to crush bones. Its bite force is powerful enough to destroy the bowling balls. And despite its huge size, grizzlies can run incredibly fast, up to 56 kilometers per hour. Imagine something that strong charging towards you at full speed. That's nightmare fuel. Number 9, anaconda, the crushing serpent. Hidden deep in South American rivers lives one of the strongest snakes ever discovered, the anaconda. This massive serpent doesn't rely on venom. Instead, it kills using unbelievable crushing power. Once wrapped around prey, the anaconda tightens with enormous pressure until the victim can no longer breathe. Some anacondas grow longer than buses and weigh hundreds of kilograms. And because most of their body is muscle, they are capable because most of their body is muscle, they are capable of overpowering animals much larger than humans. In water, they become nearly unstoppable ambush predators. Silent, massive, deadly. Number 8, elephant, the giant of strength. Nothing represents raw strength like an elephant. These giants can weigh more than 6 tons. That's heavier than many trucks. Their trunks alone contain around 40,000 muscles, and those trunks can do something incredible. Lift giant trees' branches, push over obstacles, or gently pick up something as tiny as a peanut. Elephants can uproot trees, move heavy objects, and protect their families using overwhelming force. But what makes them even more amazing is that behind all that power lies extraordinary intelligence and emotions. But what makes them even more amazing is that behind all that power lies extraordinary intelligence and emotion. Strength and wisdom combined. Number 7, musk ox, the frozen tank. This animal survived the ice age, and looking at it, you can see why. The musk or the musk ox is built like a living tank, covered in thick fur and armed with powerful curved horns. These animals can survive brutal Arctic conditions. Oh, these animals can survive the brutal Arctic conditions. When threatened by wolves, musk oxens form defensive circles around their young, and then they charge. The impact of two musk oxens crashing head first is absolutely massive. Their bodies are built to absorb and deliver tremendous force. Their bodies are built to absorb and deliver tremendous force. Nature designed them for war in the frozen wilderness. Number 6, tiger, the silent power hunter. The tiger is not just powerful, it's terrifyingly efficient. The tiger is not just powerful, it's terrifyingly efficient. A single tiger can drag prey weighing several times its own body weight through forests and rivers. Its muscles, limbs allow explosive attack capable of taking down massive animals like deer and wild boar. And then there is the bite. A tiger's jaws. Oh, tiger's jaws are built for crushing and killing quickly. But what makes tigers truly deadly is the combination of strength, stealth, and speed. You often never see one until it's too late. The perfect predator. Number 5, the eagle, the sky warrior. This bird rules the sky with strength and precision. Eagles possess incredible powerful talons capable of gripping prey with crushing force. Some species can lift animals surprisingly heavier for their size, and when diving, eagles strike like missiles from the sky. Their sharp vision allows them to spot prey from huge distances. Imagine seeing a rabbit from kilometers away, then attacking with deadly accuracy. The sky belongs to the eagle. Number 4, gorilla, the gentle giant. Gorillas are among the strongest mammals alive. An adult silverback can lift all an An adult silverback can lift or throw enormous weights using pure upper body strength. Their arms are massively muscular, allowing them to climb, defend territory, and intimidate rivals. One powerful gorilla punch could cause devastating damage. Yet, despite this incredible strength, gorillas are using calm and peaceful animals. Yet, despite this incredible strength, gorillas are usually calm and peaceful animals. They live in close family groups led by dominant silverbacks who protect the troop. Immense power controlled by intelligence and social bonds. That is the gorilla. Number 3, the leaf cutter ant, the tiny super worker. Now things get really crazy. This tiny insect can carry objects over 50 times its own body weight. That would be like a human carrying a truck. Leaf cutter ants march in enormous colonies, cutting leaves and carrying them above their heads like living umbrellas. But they don't even eat the leaves directly. Instead, they use them to grow fungus, farms underground. These ants are farmers, workers, builders, and soldiers all at once. These ants are farmers, workers, builders, and soldiers all at once. Tiny body, insane strength, perfect teamwork. Number 2, rhinoceros beetle, the armored lifter. This insect looks like a miniature battle tank, and its strength is unbelievable. The rhinoceros beetle can lift objects up to 850 times its own body. If humans had that level of strength, we could lift multiple tanks. This insect looks like a miniature battle tank, and its strength is unbelievable. The rhinoceros beetle can lift objects up to 850 times its own body weight. If humans had that level of strength, we could lift multiple tanks. Its horn is used to battle rivals and flip opponents during fights. Despite its intimidating appearance, it's harmless to humans. But in the insect world, the beetle is an absolute powerhouse. At number 1 is the dung beetle, the strongest animal on earth. At number 1 is the dung beetle, the strongest animal on earth. And now, the strongest animal on earth is the dung beetle. Relatively to body size, the dung beetle, yes, a tiny beetle that rolls animal waste, but don't laugh yet. Some dung beetles can pull over 1,000 times their own body weight. Yes, you heard me correctly. That would be like a human pulling dozens of giant trucks. These beetles roll dung balls across difficult terrains for food and reproduction, and they do it with relentless determination. Scientists were stunned when testing just how powerful these tiny insects are. The strongest animal on earth is smaller than your hand. Nature loves surprises. Yes, the strongest animal on earth is the dung beetle. Why are these animals so strong? So what gives these animals such incredible strength? Massive muscles power, special body structures, extreme survival adaptations, and millions of years of evolution are some of the uniqueness of these animals. Some dominate with size and force. Some dominate with size and force. Others prove that even tiny creatures can possess superhuman abilities. In nature, strength isn't just about being big. Sometimes the smallest creatures are the most powerful of all. Frequently asked questions about these animals. Which is the strongest animal overall? The elephant is among the strongest in absolute power. Which animal is strongest compared to body size? The dung beetle is considered the strongest relative to its size. Can an eagle really lift animals? Yes, Eagles can carry prey surprisingly heavier for their body weight. Which animal has the strongest bite? Among these animals, the tiger and grizzly bear both have extremely powerful bites. Which animals shocked you the most? The giant elephant, the crushing anaconda, or the tiny dung beetle with superhero strength? Comment below right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable animal videos, wildlife videos, because nature is stronger than we ever imagined. Because nature is stronger than we ever imagined. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Travel the world with me, your only boy Stevie God. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Peace be with you all. Peace.